Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to embroider a rose flower using spider web stitch. When you get circles in your embroidery design, we can divide this circle by putting 5 lines inside this and start. That is odd number of lines. I'll divide this circle also. Now I am using a sharp needle with all 6 strands of thread. Insert the needle at one point and go to the center point and stitch all the 5 lines tightly. Here I have divided the circle into 5 lines. If the circle is very small, you can divide it into 3 lines, and if the circle is very big, you can put 7 lines. Anyhow, the line should be in odd number. I'll finish the other circle and come back to you. Now I am using all the 6 strands of thread in a thick needle with blunt tip. Insert the needle at the center point and take it out. Now pass the needle through one stitch like this. We are not stitching, just passing the thread through one stitch. Again leave one stitch and in the next stitch pass the needle and pull completely. Again leave one stitch and through the next stitch pass the needle like this and pull over. Don't pull it very tight or very loose. Let it be perfect like weaving. Again leave one stitch and pass through the next stitch. And pull over. Again leave one stitch and pass through the next stitch. When we do this in odd numbers, the stitch seen above here will be hidden while we do the next stitch. Again leave this stitch and go to the next stitch and insert the needle. So continuously we should do this, leaving one stitch and passing through the next stitch. When we put these stitches continuously, it will be seen like a woven basket. And so this stitch is also called as woven wheel stitch. Mostly this stitch is used in filling the flowers in your embroidering design. Especially roses will look very beautiful. I hope you can understand this stitch very clearly. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have posted many videos regarding the basic stitches in hand embroidering, and I have given all the links in the description. You can go to those links and learn other stitches. When you come towards the end, the lines will not be seen. You can see only the dots at the end. So you can insert through the dots or below the woven stitches like this, and take the needle out until the last dot is hidden. You can stitch this and completely close to look like a rose flower. See here, once again I am passing it below the woven threads and taking it out like this. Now you can't see the straight stitches, but just passing below, and then finish it by passing the needle through the fabric and make a knot on the back side of the fabric. We have finished our rose now. Let us do the next rose. And this is the back view of the stitch. Thank you for watching.